So how do we define this market? Modern data pipelines have a few critical, what I see as four critical market segments, and I'll work from the bottom up in this diagram. The first important note is that we're looking at on-premises systems. We're looking at traditional mainframe systems, which persist on many environments, I-series, SAP systems. A lot of operational systems continue to reside on premises. But that data, in many cases, needs to be synchronized with analytics targets in the cloud. And so that creates a hybrid paradigm. There are also new cloud environments that even large enterprises are standardizing on for a new business unit, a new project. They'll go cloud first, they'll go cloud only, and they'll also go multi-cloud. And the reason they'll go multi-cloud is in order to avoid too much dependence on a given cloud provider platform. They'll do it in order to gain negotiating leverage with these cloud providers. They'll do it in order to optimize pricing or availability SLAs in different geographies. And they'll also do it because certain cloud providers have analytics tools that are more appropriate for their use case, or they foster an ecosystem that's more appropriate for their data science or the BI teams. We talked before about the increasingly multi-structured nature of this data and the schemas and the metadata associated with those data flows. The ingestion piece, the market of tools that focus on data extraction and loading from source to target. Transformation, as we talked about, is filtering and merging and formatting data for consumption. Now, data ops is a critical segment here that exists as sort of an umbrella construct. This is a discipline that's increasingly well established for optimizing pipelines using continuous integration and continuous delivery of pipeline code, testing of that pipeline code, monitoring of it. Data ops also includes or is a close cousin of observability. And observability refers to the monitoring and the optimization of data pipeline performance, the monitoring and the optimization of data quality. So there's a whole class of tools that address data ops either as standalones or as part of a suite offering. We're going to talk more about what that market really looks like. The final note here is orchestration. Orchestration, also a cousin of data ops, but it's critical for organizations to look at how they're scheduling and executing, monitoring, adapting, and optimizing workflows, sequences of tasks that stitch together data pipelines and the applications, whether it's analytical tools or operational applications that consume the output of pipelines. So data pipeline management comprises these four segments: data ingestion, data transformation, data ops, and data orchestration.